Hello everyone, Morgan Castle here. This will be a quick video of a little Wi-Fi electrical setup that'll be here in the little room. Here it is. So here is the top of it, a surge protector hooked to the router here. As you see, the router is like kind of on, which we know Wi-Fi, and then the surge protector right here, blue light, but then it kind of goes all the way down here towards this Wi-Fi thing. So, which is if I dig it out, so pull it out real quick. I believe I made a recent video of this. If you have not checked it out, check it out. I talk about APC surge protectors. Yep. I know you might get bored of this. But anyway, here it is. Be very, very careful. The battery underneath. But main video is set up, which you've already seen. But a DJ from 96.1 requested this video. If you flip the switch on the side, watch what happens. Now, it goes into battery backup mode, and I'm still able to film my channel, and I'm still able to have Wi-Fi. So basically, it blinks. Right now, I am in battery backup. And basically, yep, low warning sounds will happen at the end of life. And so, like I said in my first videos, when I got this thing, I'm very sorry for the false advertisement. Yes. So, anyway, I was just very excited. Ameriserve International once again had a lot of these things. You want to know the, and yeah, like I said, you want to know the Wi-Fi guy's name is Kimber. Yes. Yeah, his name is Kimber from Ameriserve International. And I believe companies are switching towards Christmas. But anyway, this is battery backup. And another thing, I really hope Steven at Balance Autism does not do this. Switch it back, but this is plugged towards the wall here. Hooked to this switch right here. Be very careful not to turn this off, or this will lose phone contact. Because this is hooked to the bottom outlets, not the top, but the bottom. Let's switch. So, let's go over here. Switch this back to AC mode. And basically, there is the setup. I believe you heard the relay click in the surge protector down there. But there's a little setup of the Wi-Fi. Anyway, peace out.